This January will mark 10 years since the so-called Facebook murder stunned the Mountain City, Tennessee community. Victims Bill Payne and Billie Jean Hayworth were shot dead in their home in 2012.
Well, in a new development, the mother and the family trio, who were all convicted of first-degree murder in the deaths of the young couple, now has a chance to be released from jail. In court Wednesday, Barbara Potter told a judge she was guilty but of a lesser charge. This comes after she was granted a new trial in August. So now there is a plea deal in the case, and we've learned she is no longer sentenced to life in prison.
Ashley Sharp explains her plea deal and spoke with attorneys involved about how this case will move forward.
Under oath to God, she said, "I'm guilty. I'm responsible," and that it was surreal to hear her say that.
Of the three family members convicted in the murders of Bill Payne and Billie Jean Hayworth, only one has a shot at release from jail. That's mother Barbara Potter, who alongside her daughter Janelle and husband Marvin was originally convicted on 2 counts of first-degree murder.
Conviction for murder was wrong. The jury got it wrong.
Yesterday in court, Barbara Potter admitted guilt to a lesser charge, facilitation of first-degree murder, meaning her life sentence is now reduced to 25 years in jail.
She straight up pled guilty, so she was wanting to accept fault.
For the state, the plea deal was not ideal, but they say in doing so, they insisted she not allege innocence.
I didn't want that. And I said, "You're going to have to plead guilty. You're going to have to admit under oath that you have responsibility for these people dying."
Potter has already served the required 30% of her new 25-year sentence since she's been behind bars for 8 years. That means she will soon be eligible for parole.
Quite frankly, it made me sick to write out the judgments that would allow her to see a parole board. I feel bad for the families of the victims that have to worry about a parole hearing.
Barbara Potter was granted a new trial back in August after a judge ruled there was a conflict with her original trial attorney, Randy Fallon.
She was denied due process. Flat out she was. There was a conflict of interest.
Barbara's attorney says he encouraged her to go to trial for a second time, but is satisfied with her plea and chance for release from prison.
It gives her something to look forward to, and what she's convicted of more appropriately fits the facts that she was accused of now.
Barbara's daughter Janelle and husband Marvin both remain jailed for life on charges of first-degree murder. For News Channel 11, I'm Ashley Sharp.
So Barbara Potter's fate now is in the hands of a state parole board. Moving forward, that board will choose to deny or grant her release from prison based on time already served. Look for full coverage of this case, again, that's gone on for a decade on our website, WJHL.com.